The era of Agentic AI has arrived. Hello, I am Dr. Naeem. Welcome back to Trend AI Today, your go-to channel for the latest updates on AI and technology. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the most exciting AI breakthroughs. Today, we are stepping into a new era of artificial intelligence, Agentic AI. You've heard about generative AI, right? It can create text, images, and even code. But what if AI could go beyond just generating things and actually start thinking, planning, and executing tasks just like a human? That's exactly what Agentic AI is all about. It can build a website, develop an app, and complete complex projects from start to finish, all by itself. And today, we'll take a deep dive into Replit Agent, a new AI tool that is so powerful, it might just change the future of software development. Is Agentic AI the future? Could it replace human developers? What does this mean for the tech industry? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Number 1. The rise of Agentic AI. Technology is evolving fast. According to Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, the AI revolution has happened in stages. Stage 1: Perception AI, AI that recognizes images, voices, and faces. Stage 2: Generative AI, AI that creates content like text, images, and videos. Stage 3: Agentic AI, AI that thinks, plans, and executes tasks with minimal human intervention. Stage 4: Physical AI, the future of AI that will handle physical tasks like a human. We are now entering the Agentic AI era, where AI can plan, learn, and make decisions to complete tasks autonomously. Imagine an AI that doesn't just help you write code but can develop an entire application on its own. Introducing Replit Agent, AI that codes like a developer. Let's put this new AI to the test. We'll use Replit Agent, a tool that promises to build a complete website or app just by understanding natural language commands. Getting started with Replit Agent. Alright, let's jump into my computer screen and see how powerful this AI really is. First, I'll log into Replit, a cloud-based coding platform. Once logged in, I'll simply describe the app I want to build. For example, let's say I want to build a to-do list app that reminds me of high-priority tasks. I type. I want to create a to-do list app that sends notifications for high-priority tasks. Now, the AI rewrites my prompt into a more structured format and suggests improvements. This alone is mind-blowing because it ensures we get the best possible result. After refining the prompt, I click Build, and now, the magic begins. Rocket. Number 2. How Replit Agent works like a real developer. One thing that really impressed me is how Replit Agent asks follow-up questions just like a real software developer would. For example, when I asked it to create the app, it asked, "Would you like a simple interface using React and Express? Should the app store data locally or use a cloud database?" This level of interaction and understanding makes it feel like I am working with a real human developer. I don't need to know how to code. Replit Agent is handling everything for me. Number 3. Building the app, no coding required. Now that we've approved the design, Replit Agent starts coding the entire application in real time. It writes the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It sets up the backend with Express.js. It even tests the app for errors before launching it. This means I, as a manager, only need to give feedback, and the AI will handle everything else. It's like having a personal AI developer working 24/7 for free. Number 4. Testing the AI-generated app. Once the AI finishes coding, it's time to test the app. Let's see if it works. I enter a task. Buy groceries, high priority. And guess what? The AI instantly sends a notification reminding me of the task. Now, I want to make a small change. I want the app to display a message when there are no tasks. I simply type. Add a message saying "No tasks found" when the task list is empty. Within seconds, the AI updates the app. No coding, no debugging, it just works. Number 5. Agentic AI versus traditional AI. This is next-level AI. Unlike ChatGPT, which only generates code snippets, Replit Agent understands, builds, tests, and manages projects from start to finish. Here's a quick comparison. Generative code. ChatGPT can write AI generative code. Agentic AI, Replit Agent, can also write AI generative code. Project scope. ChatGPT cannot understand project scope. But Agentic AI can understand project scope. Builds complete applications. ChatGPT cannot build complete applications. But Agentic AI can build complete applications. Asks follow-up questions. ChatGPT cannot ask follow-up questions. But Agentic AI can ask follow-up questions. Test and approval of apps. ChatGPT cannot test and approve the apps. But Agentic AI can test and approve the apps. Number 6. Making advanced edits with AI. Now, let's try something more complex. I ask. Change the theme color to red and add a dark mode toggle button in the navbar. And within a minute, the AI updates the entire app with the new features. This proves that Agentic AI is more than just a coding assistant, it's an actual developer. Final thoughts: will AI replace developers? Now comes the big question, will AI replace software developers? The answer is no, at least not yet. While Agentic AI is incredibly powerful, human developers are still needed for complex problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. However, AI like Replit Agent will definitely change how we develop software. Here's what we can expect. Faster development: AI can build apps in minutes instead of weeks. Less manual coding: developers will focus on high-level logic while AI handles the repetitive coding. More accessibility: even non-coders can build apps using AI tools. This is just the beginning. According to experts, Agentic AI will be a multi-trillion-dollar industry in the near future. So, if you're interested in AI, now is the time to stay ahead and learn about these tools. Join the AI revolution. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this deep dive into Agentic AI and Replit Agent exciting. Do you think AI will replace developers? Let me know in the comments below. If you love AI content, don't forget to subscribe to Trend AI today and hit the like button to support our channel. See you in the next video. Stay ahead of the AI revolution.